Hello everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that stresses car owners out? Difficulty finding a reputable shop. At Arts, we've earned our community's trust with consistent quality and service, making us the shop you can rely on. Let me share a story about Aisha, a retail worker who came to us recently. Her 2017 Chevrolet Malibu had a damaged front bumper from a fender bender. Aisha was hesitant, having seen mixed reviews for other shops and worrying about poor repairs. She chose Arts after seeing our strong community reputation. Our team restored her Malibu to factory condition, and Aisha said, "Arts is truly reputable. My car looks perfect and I felt confident." Our reputation comes from skilled technicians, honest pricing, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. From minor fixes to collision repairs, our Pomona shop delivers trusted results, backed by a warranty and happy customers. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're the reliable shop you've been looking for. Ready to trust your repair to the best? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't struggle to find a reputable shop. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, trusted by Pomona.